that we present about understanding the background of the crisis. The COVID-19 pandemic, caused by the severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, has had a profound impact globally. The outbreak began in Wuhan City, Hubei Province, China, in December 2019 and quickly spread worldwide. The World Health Organization (WHO) declared a public health emergency of international concern in January 2020, and later, in March 2020, it was categorized as a pandemic. Now we see at the crisis background on IT base. The COVID-19 crisis has led to significant disruption across various sectors, including IT base, service, and social sectors. In the IT sector, the pandemic exposed vulnerabilities in healthcare systems and societal infrastructure, prompting the use of emerging technologies like contact tracing, apps, and AI-driven drug discovery. However, this advancement also raised concern about privacy, ethics, and the digital divide. That is about the crisis background on service. In the service sector, the pandemic necessitated the development of strategies for post-pandemic change in workplace services. This include providing employees support, clear communication, engagement, and appropriate tools and protocols. Organizational leaders and managers had to guide their teams through this change, ensuring that employee engagement, well-being, and performance were maintained. That is the crisis background on social. The pandemic also brought about a social crisis affecting health outcomes in organizational settings. Social determinants of health, such as socio-economic status, education, and environment, become crucial factors to consider in developing health policy within organizations. Organizational leaders, human resource professionals, health managers, and policy makers had to incorporate these social determinants into their policies and practices. Now we look at impact on organizational activities. At a global level, COVID-19 forced organizations to adopt novel solutions and adaptive strategies. Remote working and digital transformation become mainstream, allowing employees to work efficiently and maintain business continuity. IT departments, employees, and organization leaders play a key role in implementing remote working technologies, improving cybersecurity, and using cloud-based collaboration. Next is change in service delivery model. Service delivery models were also disrupted and had to be adopted for continuity. Organization moved to online and contactless service delivery methods to meet new customer demand and social distancing practices. This shift affected healthcare, retail, and customer service sectors, requiring organizations to extend their digital customer engagement. Last but not least, social interaction and workplace culture. The pandemic significantly altered social interaction and workplace culture. Organizations adopted virtual meeting tools, mental health initiatives, and new policies for remote work and employee well-being. This change highlighted the importance of flexibility and resilience in organizational operation.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amir Firdaus Biramli. Now I will talk about my part in this group assignment, which is 2.0, Innovation and Change Management on IT-based Service and Social. Innovation focus on developing new ideas and methods, while change management ensures their successful implementation. Next, IT-based industry drive innovation to match advancements in technologies. And last is, in the social sector, innovation address critical challenges like poverty, health, and education. In this part, there are two subtopics that we as a group discuss, which are importance of innovation, and the second one is the importance of change management. Now, let's discuss more detail for the first one, importance of innovation. After doing some research, I got a few important of innovation during the COVID-19 pandemic, which are: first is essential to staying competitive and meeting client expectations in IT, service, and social sectors. Second one, drive efficiency, cost reduction, and long-term customer loyalty. And the third one, promotes a culture of creativity and adaptability, fostering sustainable growth. Last but not least, the second subtopic is importance of change management. After doing some research, I got that there are a few importance of change management, which are: first is enable organization to adapt to new technologies, processes, and the strategies effectively. Second, reduce resistance, enhance implementation, and ensure a smooth transition for employees and stakeholders. And the third one is strengthen organizational capacity to respond to future challenges.
Good morning, Dr. Hassan and my fellow friends. Today I'm going to present about innovative solution for organization performance on IT-based service and socials. There are three types of innovation: IT-based, service and social, that can serve as creative solutions for crisis management, offering a valuable survival strategies during COVID-19 pandemic. IT-based tools such as advanced data analytics, cloud-based collaboration tools enable real-time decision making and maintain operation continuity. However, social innovations including gamification for employee engagement and mental health awareness campaigns to foster resilience and address psychological needs. Meanwhile, service adaptations like contactless service models and flexible service hours ensure accessibility and safety. Next slide is about assessment of opportunities for innovations. So this slide I will present few portions from each categories of innovations. The first category of innovation is advanced data analytics, one of the crucial data in IT-based innovations. There are three keywords. The first is the transform raw data into actionable insights, which means taking unorganized information raw data and analyzing it to understand what it means. The next, forecast market demands and customer needs and monitor performance metrics in real times, which means keeping track of important numbers of data as they happen without any delay. Flexible work models plays an important role in service innovations. There are also three keywords. The first one is a work-life balance. For example, employees working flexible hours to manage personal commitments, reduce stress and higher job certification boost output, demonstrate care for employees' health and happiness, such as ensuring a workplace safety and recognizing employees' effort immediately. Okay, the next slide is a gamification for employee engagements, presents a significant opportunity in social innovations. There are also three keywords. The first is gamification introduce fun and excitement into daily tasks, reducing monotony. This helped healthy and motivated. The second, gamified system encourage employees to meet performance goals through incentives. Gamification can promote teamwork through group challenges or rewards. As an example, a company introduced a team-based fitness challenge during COVID-19. Employees form groups and each group earned points for workout complete. At the end of the month, the team with the highest points wins a reward such as gift card or virtual celebrations. Thank you.
Okay guys, now I'm going to present the techniques for generating innovative options. Firstly is the brainstorming. This encourages free-flowing ideas in a collaborative setting, allowing organizations to adapt quickly, such as developing remote work protocols. Secondly is the design thinking centers on user needs, employing iterative prototyping to redesign services like digital interfaces for customer engagement. Thirdly is the Scamper explores variations of current processes. For an example, restaurants modifying services for delivery models during the pandemic. At the fourth place, we have the crowdsourcing tabs into external communities for ideas, helping organizations gather insights via social media. Besides that, we also have scenario planning prepares businesses for multiple future challenges, testing resilience across various scenarios. At the sixth place, we have reverse brainstorming uncovers preventative strategies by considering potential problems. Threes applies proven principles from other industries such as combining telemedicine and technology for innovative healthcare delivery. Finally, we have the open innovation fosters collaboration with external partners as seen in vaccine development partnerships. Okay, now I'm going to present about the evaluation of options. Once ideas are generated, systematic evaluation ensures their viability. Feasibility analysis examines logistical capabilities as seen with curbside pickup services. Cost benefits analysis help prioritize investments like choosing third-party delivery partnerships over proprietary apps. SWOT analysis identifies strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats to refine strategies. Impact assessment evaluates social and operational effects such as introducing online learning in underprivileged areas. Risk assessment highlights challenges like cybersecurity and regulatory compliance. Prioritization matrices rank options by urgency and alignment with goals. Pilot testing tests ideas on a small scale to refine them. Stakeholder feedback gathers input to improve usability and effectiveness. Benchmarking draws inspiration from industry leaders, while decision trees guide strategic choices by weighing potential outcomes. In conclusion, by combining innovative techniques with structured evaluations, organizations can navigate uncertainty, adapt to change, and achieve sustainable success. This approach balances creativity and strategic rigor, fostering resilience in a rapidly evolving world. That's all from me. Thank you.
Leading and managing change on IT-based service and social sector, the COVID-19 pandemic has been a powerful force of change of organizations across industries. It has especially impacted the IT-based service and social sector, requiring them to adapt quickly to new challenges such as remote works, health and safety measures, and shifting customer needs to navigate these complexities. Organizations must focus on effective change management strategies that foster adaptation, resilience, and long-term sustainable. Creation of a change management plan. The first step is creating a change management plan is understanding the current situation. Organization must identify the challenges they face, such as the need for remote works, disruption to in-person service and evolving customer expectation. Analyzing IT system service delivery method and social impact helps pinpoint areas where change are necessary. Once the situation is clear, the next step is setting goals. This should address immediate needs while planning for recovery and growth. For example, IT sectors goals might include expanding cloud service and enhancing cyber security. Second, service sector objective could focus on seamless online service and safe in-person interaction. Social sector goal might including necessary access to online resources and supporting mental health initiatives. Implementation of the change management plan. Implementing a change management plan requires several key steps. First, train employers. Provide training to equip employers with the skill need for new tools, system, and process. For example, IT team might need technician training, while social sector workers will benefit from training on virtual program delivery. Second, pilot testing. Test new initiative on a small scale to identify potential issues before full implementation. For instance, a company rolling out new customer relationship management software might begin with a few users to resolve any problem early. Third, please roll out implement change gradually to minimize discussion and confusion. For example, an organization transition need to remote work could start with key department before expanding to the entire workforce. 4. Provide support. Ensure ongoing support by establishing help desks, virtual office hours, and fact page to address employee and customer concerns during the transition. 5. Monitor progress. Regularly track performance metrics such as employee productivity, customer satisfaction, and community engagement. Use feedback to refine strategies. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Hisham from Btmp Section 1. My metric number is B0623105524. Today, I will briefly walk you through the steps involving in implementing an effective change management plan. The foundation of this process lies in improving communication and training with the organization. The first step is the sell phase, where we explain the need for change and the benefits it will bring. It is essential to ensure that stakeholders understand how the proposed innovation address current challenge and improves outcome. To make this transition smoother, user training must happen before the change is implemented to minimize shock and discomfort. Next, we move to pilot testing the innovation. Here, we start small. For example, if we are rolling out new customer relationship management software, we begin with a few users. This allows us to identify potential issues and make necessary adjustments before scaling up to the entire organization. Once we are confident in the system, we proceed to rolling out the change. This should be done in phase to avoid confusion and disruptions. For example, when implementing remote work, we might begin by equipping key departments with the required technology before extending it to others. This phase approach allows us to refine process and manage the transition effectively. An essential part of this process is providing ongoing support. Change can be challenging, especially in uncertain times. To address this, we create dedicated support systems such as help desk, virtual office hour, and fax to assist employees and clients in adapting to the new system. As the change progresses, monitoring progress is vital. We use tools like data analytics to measure performance, user satisfaction, and overall outcomes against predefined success criteria. If gaps are identified, incremental adjustment can be made to achieve the desired objective. Finally, to ensure long-term success, we focus on sustainability. This involves integrating the change into the organization's standard practice through policy revisions, continuous retraining, and ongoing stakeholder engagement. This ensures the innovation remains effective and relevant. By following these steps, we can implement change effectively, minimize resistance, and maximize the benefits for everyone involved. The COVID-19 pandemic exposed vulnerability in traditional organizational structures, especially in IT, service, and social domains, highlighting the need for innovation and effective change management. Innovation allows organizations to reimagine systems, prioritize improvements, and develop practical solutions. Change management ensures structured, inclusive transition, minimize risk, and align stakeholders. By integrating innovation and change management, organizations address immediate challenge, build resilience, and turn adversity into opportunity for sustained growth, adaptability, and success in a dynamic world. Thank you.